Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Taskade to build anything you want. Let's dive in. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to literally create anything in Taskade. So once you are here, you are going to sign up. You can sign up for free. And what you can see here is a space for you to type in what you want. Like it says here, create a calculator for, and you can create whatever you want. Now, let's say, for example, we need a little bit of inspiration. Well, guess what? Taskade has tons of ways to inspire you. The first way is they have these drop-down menus here. So quick apps. Here you can create a chatbot, a survey, booking, feedback. You can see lead captures, onboarding, contact form, FAQ page. You can also see under tools, if you use this drop down menu, there's a bunch of different tools you can go and click on. Now, once you click on it, let's say, for example, that calculator, it puts in a prompt for you. So build a pricing calculator with inputs for key variables, pricing tiers, and so on and so on and so on. This is fantastic because what you can do is you can use that prompt and then just edit out what you don't want and add in what you do want. Again, with the websites, you can see if you click on this, it'll give you whatever you click on. It'll give you a prompt over here, right? And then that's not all. There's a drop-down menu and there's a bunch more categories: projects, dashboards, forms, workflows, agents, automations, commerce, and then there's the explore. And here, when you click on explore, you will now be having this window open, and here on the left-hand side, you can see there's a bunch more. Okay, there's tons. So you can really go ahead. You can even search over here for your templates. Now, let's say that there's still not enough inspiration. Well, over here where it says connect and it shows you all of these apps, you can actually create an app or a web page that can interact with any one of these pages. So just for example, let's go and click on the YouTube icon. Here it says build a content analysis app that auto transcribes YouTube videos, extracts insights, and organizes them by topic. Now, this is very simple, straightforward. You can see over here, again, if you click on perhaps Facebook, it says create a content hub that manages Facebook page posts, engagement analytics, and publishing workflows. Whatever you click on, it's going to interact with whatever app that you've clicked on over here. You can see over here, there's, again, schedule stuff, media stuff, automations. And guess what? If that's still not enough, you can go down over here. There are workspace apps. These are apps that have been created within your account. And then there are community apps, and there are a bunch of different, there's a bunch of different headings over here, different categories. Now, let's say you look down over here and you see something that you like. Let's say this broker calendar right over here. What do? You click on it. Once you click on it, it opens it up as a template. Literally opens it up as a template. Now you can customize this as you want. Let's say you want to change the color of what's happening here. Let's say you want to add in a light mode, dark mode toggle switch. Let's say you want to add in a different way of viewing your calendars. Whatever it is, on the left hand side here, it says, hi, I'm Eve from Taskade, and you can literally just type in here whatever it is you want changed, and the changes will be made immediately. And then once you deploy this app, this is literally your app. This is the app that you've built. You've just used this previous app as a template, but this is now your app. So make some changes and it's your app. And that is how you can literally build anything with Taskade.